YouTube was good. We back inside of the M340. Yo, I know I haven't uploaded in a minute, but we back outside though, y'all. I was really trying to get some content for y'all, bro. No cap, I'm not gonna lie. It just, things just wasn't going my way. I ended up getting the wrong SD card. I deleted a couple of files by accident. It was just bad. Like, I was supposed to get like a video like me drifting in the snow for y'all. It just didn't go my way at all. But right now, bro, it's a nice day outside, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to go throw some gas inside of the V real quick. I just left out of the gym. Then I'm about to go get a car wash. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to just wash this shit. Let me know if y'all know any laser wash in CT. I do not know where any of them shits is at. Like, y'all gotta put me on. So if y'all live in CT, bro, and y'all know like where the laser wash is at and stuff like that, let me know. All right, I'm about to go put some gas in the V right now, and then I'm about to head over to the car wash. We about to go wash the car and all that, get it nice and clean. Now, matter of fact, let me show y'all how the car look right now. Cause this shit looks crazy, bro. Look at this shit. Shit's crazy. I'm mad far from the pump. Look at this. I'm gonna get a little bit closer. Bro, I keep telling y'all about this show app, bro. I feel like every single video that I have, I'm always at a gas station, bro. Every single time. And they always sign me out. Hold on. You're gonna get it right though. Definitely about to get it right. Yo, the crazy thing is I just watched this shit too, bro. Just watched it, bro. And then it started to snow like crazy the other day. All right, y'all, just finished pumping this up. Car is filthy, bro. Yo, there's no way that right now it's 37 degrees, bro. It feel like a smooth like 50 outside, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, it's been a minute, y'all, since I've been driving in sport, bro. It been like, the road's been mad icy and snowy like the past couple of days. You would have thought that was an M340. Yo, my car is happy right now though. Like, you know, like when you just feel like your car, I'm chatting, bro. Never mind, I'm chatting. Yeah, but I was just on the phone with Donnie. I'm about to go head over and pick him up. All right, y'all, we back, and guess who we with?
Best cameraman alive.
Nah, it's real life nice outside today though. Like, you see now when it says, now I want to say 42. Earlier it was saying 36. I don't feel like it was 36 outside. It was feeling like a smooth 50 outside, bro.
Yeah. It's not bad, nice one.
Like, today's like a nice day to work on your car.
That's nice.
Yo, and speaking of that, bro, I got something loading up for y'all, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just waiting for one more thing to come in, and then I'm about to slap it on the car, bro. And it's gonna make like a big difference, bro. If you follow me on IG, you'll know what it is too. I ain't gonna lie. I teased it a little bit. Feel me? I'm just waiting for one thing, bro. Hopefully, like this weekend, I could throw it on. Or I might even throw it on before I even get the other part. I might just throw the other part on a different day. The fuck?
What the hell?
Man got mad dirt on his shit. That shit sounded crazy.
He's about to die.
Fuck. Oh, it's just brake pads. Damn, bro, I gotta put new brake pads on too, bro. It's about that time.
Shit crazy.
I don't even think so though. Like the brakes don't feel that bad.
I'm even saying I'm doing it. I'm not taking that.
Yo, so Donnie, bro, what you think, bro? When should I go downpipe and tune, bro?
Bro, I don't know, man. Niggas asked me too. Niggas DM'd about that shit, so I ain't know.
Niggas DM'd you about that?
I swear to God.
This nigga's lying,
I swear to
bro.
everything I love, I'll shoot you messages later. I swear to God.
What was they saying?
Nah, cause they thought it was my shit. Remember I posted on my story? They thought it was my shit. And I was like, nah, this is my man shit. And he was like, when they get down pipe and tune. He dead said that shit, I swear to God.
Nah, I gotta see those messages. I feel like you capping.
I swear to God. I never respond to him though. I ain't gonna lie.
Probably, yeah. It's very like hole in the wall spot. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, what keeps vibrating like that? That shit's annoying as fuck.
That's just shit like that. Fuck it.
I think it's this shit.
Yeah, that's how I was thinking. That shit doesn't matter right now. She sounds like a wasp on steroids.
What the fuck? Damn. That sounded like I had a downpipe
Right?
for a second.
Like, damn, my shit's so loud. I'm like happy as hell right now.
My car, right? My car is happy. I was just telling them that. I know I wasn't bugging. Nah, y'all, I spotted another M340, bro. It was the facelift one, though. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, I don't like the facelift, bro. At all.
You don't like it?
I don't like the facelift at all, bro.
Oh, that's what did it,
It's like they try to make it more aggressive and it just didn't go their way. Bro, I turned my camera on, bro. My car need front brake pads. I need air inside of the tire. Like, it's bad, bro. Like,
Oh, that's all shit.
that shit loud as fuck today. But the part that I'm about to install on this car this week, bro, I'm literally just waiting for one more thing. Once I get that one more thing, y'all gonna see. I'm about to drop a video on it. The car about to completely look different, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna change the entire look of the car, bro. Y'all gonna be like, nah.
Sturdy.
Face
That nigga got the snacks on there.
Damn. I like that blue.
Right?
Was that an X5M? Yeah. Oh my God. Yo, Donnie, what you gotta say, bro?
Bro, I'm not saying no, bro. I'm cameraman, bro. I know you putting this shit on me, like.
Anyways, bro, we back. This M340, I know I really haven't like showed like the car from the outside, so I'm gonna show y'all. Feel me? We got the black wheels, the 791Ms, blue brake calipers. I'm definitely gonna get mirror caps, and then I'm about to get these shits right here, like the air duct. I think that's what it's called, the air ducts. I'm gonna get all of that black, so everything's gonna be like blacked out. I'm not really planning on wrapping the car anytime soon. I'm gonna keep it like the black color for a little bit. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. I had changed out the front grille, because you know how the front grille comes in like the bronzish color, and I still haven't took off the adhesive off the car, by the way. I'm about to get like the lip. I might not get a side skirt. I don't know. Maybe not. Bro, these tires, bro, almost killed me the other day. So these tires right here, bro, don't get them, bro. They're Arroyo Grand Sport. Just don't even bother getting that shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, that shit was like glass when I was driving on the ice the other day. I'm sliding and shit. It was crazy, bro. I almost crashed like 3 times in the snow. This car gonna be right, bro. And then there's gonna be like a BMW rally February 23rd. So I'm really trying to get like the car like at least half decent before I pop out there, you feel me? So we gonna keep throwing on some more parts. We gonna keep, feel me, dropping content. Make sure y'all just stay tuned.
He's going.